Hi everyone, hope you all are safe, healthy and happy. Welcome back to my channel Sada's Green Life. I really hope you all are enjoying the festive season. Today I am going to be visiting a very close friend of mine for Ganesh Darshana, and I thought I'll take you all along with me because she also has two cute dogs which are adopted. Actually one is cute, the other one you will see. But before we get into the video, I really wanted to put this thing out there. The last two videos that came on the channel, one was Janmashtami celebration and the other one was Ganesh Chaturthi dance performance. Both the videos got comments, some were really positive but some were comments which had hate in them. And I really wanted to bring this across once and for all. That I am somebody who has been celebrating all festivals since my childhood. I really didn't want to say this on the channel, but since people are like, you're Muslim, then why are you celebrating Hindu festivals? So let me put it out there. My father is a Muslim, my mother is a Hindu, and because of which since childhood I've been encouraged to celebrate all festivals without any bias for any particular religion. You know, this is how I am, and I don't think anybody should have a problem with that. As long as someone is happy, you know, living their life their way without causing any harm to any other sentient being, then I don't think anyone should have a problem with that. And since my family is okay, my friends are okay, then I think you all should be okay with that. If you all don't like it in any case, you have an option to not watch those videos. So yeah, as simple as that. I really wanted to put this across, but I'm very happy that most of y'all have been extremely positive with this fact. Festivals are meant to be enjoyed with friends, families. I mean, these are the only occasions that we really get to, you know, catch up with our friends and all. So yes, just spread love, spread happiness, not hate. Yeah, so yes, that's it. Now let's go and visit my friend. Stopped to take some fruits as prasad. The best thing that one can give as prasad to Bappa is fruits. So I've reached here in her building, and I told you all she is a very close friend of mine. But you will see what kind of welcome I get at her place. It's hilarious, and this happens no matter how many times I come to her place. This is the kind of welcome I get. So please see. Let's do this. Happy Ganesh Chaturthi. You're looking pretty as usual. Hello. So beautifully done. Eco-friendly?
Yes, eco-friendly.
And vegan sweets?
Yes.
I love you.
I love you too.
Bingo, do you love me? Bingo, do you love me? Aja, Aja, my mushak. My mushaku. You love mushaku?
अच्छा है, ये वाला मुश्क अच्छा है.
Look at the range of vegan mithais that we have. There's also some kheer which Aparna has made herself, and I'm going to taste in a while. But yeah, I'm sure Bappa will be very happy.
ये मैं कहाँ लगाऊँ अपर्णा? यहाँ पे रखूँ? चलेगा ना?
That's my kheer. That's halwa specially made for me, vegan halwa, and besan ke laddu, vegan again. चलो भाई, हमारा ये वाला थोड़ा सा टेढ़ा है, इसका नाम भी सही रखा है बिंगो। आ रहा है? Yes. यार है कि नहीं आ रहा है? यार है कि नहीं आ रहा है? अब अटैक कर देगा। मम्मी शम्मा काटते नहीं लेगा एक I'm back at her place today for Visarjan.
ये है शेकलेटली।
ये कहाँ गया? टेढ़ा है पर मेरा है।
टेढ़ा है पर मेरा है ना? नहीं।
हरता वार्ता विघ्नाची, दुर्वी पूर्वी प्रेम कृपा जयाची, सर्वांगी सुंदर उदशेंदुराची, कटी जळके माळ मुक्ता फळांची, जय देव जय मंगल मूर्ती, धन माने मन कामना पूर्ती, जय देव जय देव। हेलो, इधर से देख शर्मा मत।
यार हमको रुपया का मांगा है क्या? मेरे को उसको मतलब मेरे को पापा से मांगा है क्या?
मैंने कुछ में जब बिना मांगे मिल जाती कुछ चीजें, और कुछ चीजें मांग मांग के भी मिलती है ना। सेन्यो, सेन्यो,
ओवर हो रहा है।
एक ही नहीं। ये भगवान, कर बोल रही
क्या
हूँ।
हो गया वो?
चलो डन डील हो गई अब तो हमारी।
खांसी ने फ्रेंडशिप करवा दी।
हाँ।
आरती
This pond is made by the society specially for Visarjan. So eco-friendly Ganesha, and the way they are doing Visarjan is also eco-friendly without spoiling our water bodies. that is Aparna.
Hi.
And we've been friends since 3 years.
3 years.
3 years. And we met also during a protest that was happening for
Apne.
Avni the
Apne.
tigress. Actually, the government had given orders to kill her, and we all were protesting here, all animal lovers, and that's where we met. After we met, we realized that both are animal lovers, of course, but she's also a rescuer and she's also an ethical vegan. So that was like
I just turned vegan
Yeah.
recently, and you were a pro-vegan by that.
yes.
Yes.
Since then we hit it off, and it'll be close to 3 years now.
And you taught me how to make my chai.
Chai. So very few close friends I have, and Aparna is one of them. And this is what we did for Ganesh Chaturthi. Eco-friendly Ganesha, and even the kind of Visarjan that was done was eco-friendly. Also, we worship the idol like Lord Ganesha, but when it comes to real elephants, there is so much abuse that happens to them. Be it in circuses, be it for rides, like in temples and all, there are rides that are done on elephants' backs.
They are tortured. Even
Yeah.
as babies, they are broken, like they are tortured so that a Mahavat can train and
Yeah.
then somebody can sit on them for their entire life.
Yeah,
It's
so
really cruel.
Elephants are extremely gentle and loving animals, and they belong to their natural wild habitats. The ones that are used in tourist places, temples, processions, circuses, etc., are ripped apart from their mothers when they are just babies, so that they can be tamed from a very young age, and most often by using sharp objects designed to inflict pain. So they start obeying their trainers to avoid being hurt. They are also chained forever in captivity, breaking their spirits.
they are sentient beings, so it's very, very important that we make sure we don't visit zoos, we don't do elephant rides, we don't sponsor circuses and things like those, even in tourism and all.
Just let them be.
So I really hope you all enjoyed this little Ganesha Darshan and Visarjan that we did. Like I said, Aparna is a very, very close friend of mine because she's an animal lover. She's also a rescuer like I am. More than that, she's an ethical vegan. So that is why our bond is like extremely special. I don't have many friends, but the few friends that I have are like really close ones, and Aparna is one of them. Yeah. And if you all haven't checked my Ganesh Chaturthi dance performance, please do check it out, because that was the first time that I was performing on the channel. So please do watch it if you haven't already. Yeah, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and do subscribe to the channel. I shall see you very soon in my next one. Until then, stay safe, feel good, and be blessed.